So we are beginning with the new chapter, creepy crawlies. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study about insects, the parts of an insect's body. What are some useful insects? Yes, there are some useful insects and there are some harmful insects, and then the crawlers. Okay, so these are the things that we are going to discuss and study in this chapter. So coming to insects, we all have seen insects around us, right? We see ants, we see beetles, bees, flies, mosquitoes, butterflies. So all these are some common insects that we see around us. Okay, so what are insects? They are a group of animals. So insects are group of animals. They are the largest group of animals living on earth. So animals also have different groups. So insects are also one of the groups of animals, and they are the largest group of animals living on the earth. So some common insects, as I have told you, ants, beetles, bees, flies, mosquitoes, butterflies, right? So these are some of the common insects that you see around us. Then coming to common features, all insects have some common features. They share some common features that distinguish them from other animals. Okay, so insects, they have 6 legs, 3 pairs of jointed legs. They have 6 legs, 3 pairs of jointed legs. 2 legs are joined together, and in this way 3 pairs of jointed legs, that makes a total of 6 legs. Their body is soft. Why their body is soft? Because they do not have internal bones. They do not have internal bones. They do not have internal skeleton. They have an exoskeleton. Okay, so it's the outer covering, it's the hard outer covering, which is known as exoskeleton. The soft body of the insect is covered by a hard outer covering called the exoskeleton. So the insect's body do not have internal bones, therefore their body is soft, but they have a hard covering outside their body, which is called as exoskeleton. Now some insects, they fly. Some insects, they crawl as well as fly. Okay, so some insects, they only fly, and some insects, they crawl as well as they fly. All insects lay eggs. Okay, so all insects, they lay eggs. They reproduce by laying eggs. So they lay eggs. So insects, they are the largest group of animals. Ants, beetle, bees, flies, mosquitoes, butterfly, these are some common insects that we find around us. Some common features of insects: insects have 6 legs, 3 pairs of jointed legs. Their body is soft. Why? Because they do not have internal bones. As we have bones inside our body, right? We have internal bones. Internal means inside. So they do not have bones inside, therefore their body is soft. They have an outer covering which is known as exoskeleton. They have a hard outer covering known as exoskeleton. Then some insects, they fly. Some insects crawl as well as fly. All insects, they lay eggs.